So you've gotten your hair system installed, but it isn't quite what you pictured. It's extremely common for brand new systems to appear either too fluffy or too flat in the beginning because it takes a bit of time for the unit to settle. There are things you can do to help it along though and get your hair system looking just the way you want it. To address a hair system that is looking too fluffy, you can use products at home to train it. Allow us to explain when it's time to blow dry your hair. You will want to apply a leave-in conditioner to add weight and then do the wrapping technique. So you'd want to blow dry it flat against the head until it de-poops. Then you want to use either a pomade. We recommend our Lay Right medium style or super strong pomade, or we recommend our Coon brand. If your hair looks too flat on the other hand, you can help this by asking your stylist to add some shorter layers. And at home, you can also help by blow drying the hair by using a round brush or by using your vent brush, lifting the hair at the root, and this is going to help to give the hair a lot of body. So the two leave-in conditioners that we recommend would be best to use is our Pro Series leave-in conditioner, and we also have our Sunshine brand leave-in. These two conditioners work really well to help to add weight to the hair. With styling your hair, it's all in the blow dry technique. And don't worry, most hair systems settle in a matter of 2 weeks. All the products that we mentioned are available on our website, and as always, thank you for watching.